Reminder Renew. This is a very important section. If you put your mouse over the question mark next to it, you will see it will provide you a summary of this feature as well. When you activate Reminder Renew, a box will open directly to the right of it called Renewal Period. What this does is, it sets a reminder to automatically renew once it is triggered and runs its full cycle of reminders. For example, if your hotel's liquor license needed to be renewed by November 30th every year, you would set Reminder Renew to the on position and then set the renewal period to 1 year. You would get your reminder emails prior to the November 30th deadline. Then once they are all sent and the date passes, the reminder will reset automatically for November 30th the next year. You don't need to go in and enter a new reminder. It's handled automatically. This feature applies to everything: annual permits, vendor agreement renewals, equipment lease renewals like copier leases, recurring operational tasks that need to be handled, and subscription renewals. Many businesses track month-to-month vendor contracts this way using our operations software. They set Reminder Renew to automatically reset every year even though the contract is month-to-month. Then once a year, evaluate the contract. Do you still need it? Has the price gone up? Are there better options? Or are you happy with it and want to let it roll over another year? Many suppliers now use month-to-month contracts over terms because most businesses do not keep track of them. Reminder Renew will stay active until you turn it off.